Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel set dosa, which is very famous in all the South Indian restaurant, and they served with chutney and sambar and vadakari. So today I thought I can share this recipe with you so that you can make it at your home very easily. So for the set dosa, what you need, here I soaked the rice. So I took 2 cup of idli rice and 1 cup of poha. So for this dosa, we need a lot of poha guys. So I added 1 cup of poha and 2 cup of idli rice and I soaked this one in the buttermilk and I'm not going to throw this buttermilk and what I'm going to do, I'm going to grind this rice and the poha by adding this buttermilk in the mixie. And so this is done, and here I soaked the urud dal. So here I took half a cup of urud dal. So for this for this set dosa, as I said, we need poha, which gives lot of softness. And here I added methi also. So 1 to 2 teaspoon of methi. Why we are adding methi? Because the batter will be easily fermented, so that's why we are adding the methi. So we have to soak this one for up to 2 to 3 hours, or even the 4 hours is okay. And after that I am going to grind it in the mixie. So after 4 hours I am going to grind the urud dal in the blender. First we have to grind the urud dal. So we have to add only little bit of water, and I'm going to grind this one as a smooth paste. So the urud dal batter is ready, and it's time to grind that rice and poha. So I'm going to add this rice and poha into this mixie, and I'm going to add this buttermilk, and we have to grind this one as a very smooth paste. So my batter is ready guys, and can you see? So this is the consistency of this batter. The rice and poha batter is ready, and I'm going to add the urud dal batter into this. So the batter is ready. Set dosa batter is ready, and I'm going to add some salt. How much salt you want in your set dosa, and I'm going to mix this one with my hand guys. So can you see the batter? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this one with the lid and going to keep in a warm place for 8 hours, because for this recipe, for the set dosa, the batter should be fully fermented. Then only we will get the nice, soft, fluffy dosa. So yeah. So I'm going to cover this one with the lid, and I'm going to keep this one in a warm place. Hey guys, the batter is fully fermented. I'm preparing this one for the dinner. So I took the separate batter in the vessel, and what I did, I added 1 teaspoon of cooking soda into this, and we have to mix this one very well, and it's time to prepare set dosa. So here the dosa So here the dosa pan is hot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add this batter into this. So we have to do little bit, not much. So This dosa will be very small, guys, not in big size. I cover this and it started becoming whole already. And we have to cook for this 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I'm going to add some oil in the surroundings of the dosa. And believe me, guys, this dosa is very soft, and I can see the holes. That means the batter is perfectly done. So can you see, guys, this dosa is perfectly cooked, and can you see the color? And believe me, this dosa is very soft, and it's time to remove. So here I am making one more dosa. The set dosa means 3 dosas. So yeah. So for the set dosa, guys, this type of hole has to come in the dosa. That means the batter is fully fermented and it's in the correct, everything is on the correct ratio. So that's why I'm getting this type of hole. So yeah. Hey guys, so my set dosa is ready along with the vada curry and the gunpowder. So yeah, this is very soft good dosa, guys. So set dosa means 3 dosa. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make set dosa at your home. So I showed step by step how to make set dosa. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.